Tulsi presents the rarest villa project of the decade, the Blue Rain Villas Aluva, on the banks of the river Periyar. Welcome to the Valley of Bliss. Right on the banks of the most green and proudest stretch of the legendary Periyar, this dream project of 41 villas is coming up, thus making it the rarest villa project of Kerala. A very wide approach road takes you into this paradise. Just 5 kilometers from Aluva, with road access from all directions, this becomes a life enthusiast's delight. The vistas start with the kids' play area and clubhouse. The paved pathways inside are wide, and the villas are open with independent landscape gardens. A posh drawing room greets you into the villa, followed by a very spacious dining room. The master bedroom is exquisitely designed to receive natural sunlight and air. The contemporary kitchen is made to provide utmost efficiency and modern comfort. The paved pathways lead you to the sparkling waters of Periyar. The entire stretch of the river is beautifully landscaped. Boat jetties, angling points, and sunset decks are other attractions beside the river. A galore of amenities opens up for leading a healthy and happy life. The cricket pitch, basketball court, etc. are few. The sprawling clubhouse has an indoor shuttle court and a swimming pool. The clubhouse is laden with all amenities that one can imagine. You are welcome to own a piece of paradise on earth, the rarest and choicest villas in Kerala. Come to Blue Rain Villas. Own a piece of paradise in the Valley of Bliss by your favorite builder, Tulsi Developers. Call 9388 933 444, 93878 78222.